Someday, somewhere, lives a little girl who still sings the happiness that once was. A golden love shines from above, the river flows, our eyes glow, our hands are joined, still alive, still dreaming, the rainbow's form. Someday, somewhere, is a little boy and a little girl, still alive, still dreaming, still singing, still waiting for someday, somewhere, their love will fly, it will shine and praise and grow and glow, and all creation will see, and all of heaven will hear our praise. Someday, somewhere, somehow, some way, perfect love casts out all fear and never fails. On that day, we will sail away to the brighter shore, where someday, somewhere, lives the little boy who still dreams. Someday, somewhere, lives the little girl who still sings.